We're going to look at stems again today, and we're going to see how the water moves from the roots all the way up the stem to the leaves. Come closer and have a look. We know that the stem has the task of carrying up water from the roots all the way to the leaves so that the leaves can make food. The stem has to carry this water a long way up from the ground to reach the leaves. Now let's think about the tallest trees we know. There's a kind of tree called the blue gum tree, which are very, very tall, and their stems can be up to 79 meters high. So that stem has a very, very long way to carry the water up from the ground. But how does the stem carry the water all the way from the roots to the tip of the plant? We know the cells of the root are made to collect water. And once the water's inside the root, it can't go back once it's been absorbed. But eventually, those little root cells can't hold any more water, so they push the water up to the cell above them. And when that cell can't take any more water, it pushes the water up to the next cell. And when that cell can't take any more water, it pushes the water up to the next cell. And when that cell can't take any more water, it pushes it up to the next cell. But sometimes root pressure is not enough to carry the water all the way up the leaves. Remember how we said that leaves give off water? When they do this, they become thirsty again. And then they need more water. So they say to the cell underneath, "Hey, I'm thirsty, send me more water." And the cell below listens and sends more water. So between the root pressure and this process, which we call transpiration, the water gets carried from the roots to the leaves. Let's see how that works with this experiment. You're going to need some water. You're going to need a glass bowl, some food coloring again, and a piece of paper toweling. Let's pour some water into our bowl. Add a bit of food coloring. And then let's fold this. Now, look at this. Can you see how the water is traveling up? Can you see that? How amazing! The paper towel is absorbing the water and the water is traveling up. It's exactly the same way that the plants do it. The water travels up. I'm sure you'd love to do this experiment. If you've got some food coloring left over from your plants, why don't you try it and see what you think? I'm going to show you a chart that shows that process as well. We can see that process here in this chart. It is as if the stem is a big pump, pumping the water up from the roots all the way to the leaves. Isn't that amazing? Plants are so clever.